Try this delicious assorted fried yam chips for friends and family and thank me later, guys. This was delicious. I did this amazing recipe for my friends and they were all over it. Try it and you will never be disappointed. So this is the yam that I bought. I divided it into 3 equal parts, and then as you can tell, this yam is neat and clean. I was very fortunate because mostly in abroad when you buy yam, half of it is gone. So when I cut it and it was clean like this, so I said, Mama Mia, thank God. So I peeled it and then I divided it into smaller pieces. So this is the size that I went in for. When done, transfer it in a bowl, wash it until the water runs clean, and then add in salt. Stir, make sure everything is well combined, and then let it sit in the salted water for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, you can go ahead and preheat your oil. Once the oil is hot, go in with the go in with the yam and then let it cook until it is ready. So stay close to it and flip it so it is ready. You know, yam is very easy. It's the easiest recipe in the world. Just stay close to it and keep turning until it turns crispy. That means it is ready. So when you get to this point, it is ready. Remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. Then we can move to the next step. So next, what I did was to fry sausage. This is optional. I fried some sausage. I fried some turkey wings as well, and gizzard. So this is my turkey wings, and it was delicious. The gizzard is also ready. So the sauce that I made was just mayonnaise and ketchup. This hot ketchup mixed until well combined. This was about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of ketchup. So mix until it is well combined like this as seen in the video, and keep it aside. Next is to make the sauce. In the saucepan, add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil of your choice, and then go in with the blended veggies, which is onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, and bell peppers as well. I didn't add in the green one. It was only yellow and red pepper. I let it steam for 5 minutes before going in with the shrimp powder and then salt. I stirred it and then went in with hot sauce. So stir it and then add in your gizzard and the turkey wings. The turkey wings, I divided it into smaller pieces and then I added it to the sauce. So guys, that's it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.